In this question, it says if y is equal to sine inverse cube plus cos inverse cube, then minimum value of y or maximum value of y will be what is what we have to find. तो ये बड़ा अच्छा क्वेश्चन है स्टूडेंट्स. लेट अस बिगिन विद द सॉल्यूशन. तो सबसे पहले व्हाट वी ऑब्जर्व हियर इज कि ये जो क्वेश्चन है ना, दिस इज ऑफ द फॉर्म a क्यूब प्लस b क्यूब. तो वी नो द फॉर्मूला a क्यूब प्लस b क्यूब is equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. तो अगर इस फॉर्मूला को हम अप्लाई करते हैं यहाँ पे, सिंस a is sin inverse x and b is cos inverse x, ये बन जाएगा pi by 2 cube minus 3 times sin inverse x, and cos inverse x can be written as pi by 2 minus sin inverse x, and a plus b is pi by 2. So let us simplify this. तो ये बन जाता है pi cube by 8 minus 3 pi by 2 into sin inverse of x into pi by 2 minus sin inverse of x. तो अगर इस टर्म को हम थोड़ा सिंप्लीफाई कर लें, so this expression y can therefore be written as pi cube over 8 plus 3 pi by 2 into sin inverse x squared minus pi by 2 sin inverse x. So now if we convert this part into perfect square, हमें मिल जाता है pi cube by 8 plus 3 pi by 2, and inside the bracket हम लिखेंगे sin inverse x minus pi by 4 का whole square and minus pi square by 16. So this is what we have. Now अब हमको थोड़ा एलिमेंट्री सिंप्लीफिकेशन करना पड़ेगा in order to determine the range of this function. So this is what we have. Now there is a more information here students. तो अभी मैं एक नया फॉर्मेट स्टार्ट कर रहा हूं wherein मैं आपके लिए in the end I'll give you a quiz and you have to write the answer option in the comments. So what will happen is इसी तरह से आपका धीरे धीरे प्रैक्टिस होता जाएगा and कॉन्फिडेंस भी बूस्ट होता जाएगा, so that your preparation happens in a good manner. Also, if the question is such that many people are finding it difficult, then मैं क्या करूंगा कि उस क्वेश्चन का सोल्यूशन भी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में पोस्ट कर दूंगा. So I hope you will enjoy it and like solving the questions. So let us now continue solving this particular question. So now what we know is, we know sine inverse x belongs to minus pi by 2 से लेकर के pi by 2 तक. तो अगर we subtract pi by 4 from there, so we can write this belongs to minus pi by 2 minus pi by 4 is minus 3 pi by 4 comma pi by 4. And if we square it, we can write sine inverse x minus pi by 4 will belong to the interval 0 to 9 pi square by 16. And now we have to subtract pi square by 16. So this gives us sine inverse of x minus pi by 4 whole squared minus pi squared by 16. This will belong to minus pi squared by 16 comma 8 pi squared by 16, which is basically pi squared by 2. And this is to be multiplied to 3 pi by 2. So 3 pi by 2 into sine inverse of x minus pi by 4 squared minus pi by pi squared by 16. This will belong to minus 3 pi cube by 32 comma 3 pi cube over 4. And this finally, if we add pi cube by 8 to both these terms, so this will become pi cube by 8 minus 3 pi cube over 32, comma, pi cube by 8 plus 3 pi cube over 4. And hence, if we simplify this, here we get pi cube over 32, comma, this here becomes 7 pi cube over 8. So this is basically the interval which we can say is the range of this particular function. So here, if we want to find out the minimum value of y is pi cube over 32 and the maximum value is equal to 7 pi cube over 8. So now if we look at the options, clearly the minimum value here is matching with our final result, and therefore we can say option 2 is the correct choice. So that is how we solve this question. Now this question, my dear students, is extremely important. You must try practicing this question at home. Maybe you can also try solving this twice. And that is all that we have in this question. Now, जैसा कि मैंने कहा था, at the end we'll be doing a quiz. So here is a quiz question for you. आपको क्या करना है, इसको solve करना है और आंसर मुझे comment section में post करना है. And if you want me to post the video solution, you can comment. I will solve the question and then put the video if required. So here is the quiz question for you.